pizza, burger, ice cream. That's what I hear people doing. They're going to the gym to get rid of their pizza, their burger, their ice cream. Let me ask you something. What do you think's most important for your health? Diet or exercise? A lot of debate, isn't there? What I'm really trying to find out is, do you think your health is more impacted by being here in the gym or maybe being in the kitchen? And I want to tell you that the answer is right here. The answer is in the kitchen. Why? Because it's not a good question in the first place. It's flawed. It's not that one is more important than the other. They're both incredibly important. It's a matter of priority. Look, if you exercise while you're malnourished, you're asking for trouble. First of all, you could injure yourself and not recover very well. And secondly, you probably won't achieve much in the way of goals. Here's an example. You go to the gym, you've eaten lots of protein, and you're working out your muscles, and you're wondering why they don't grow. Well, if you don't drink enough water, your body needs water to build the muscle. In other words, you need the building blocks in order for your exercise routine to be useful. So what that means is that your health is created in the kitchen and improved in the gym. Because when you're in the gym, that's when you're using all the nutrition you put in. When you go to the gym and you do a great workout, you've put in the right things so the muscles can grow, so you can recover more quickly, so you can burn fat effectively. You see, the thing is that going to the gym won't make you healthy. It'll make you healthier. It's getting control of your diet. It's having a great relationship with food that will create the health that exercise can build on top of. It's not that one is more important than the other. It's a matter of priority. The idea that you can outrun calories or you can lift off the junk food that you've been eating, that's an idea that was created by the food industry to make people feel okay about overeating and eating the wrong things. The soft drink industry, recognizing they had a major calorie situation, convinced everybody that calories were simply calories and you could go to the gym and burn off your calories and therefore justify what you did the night before. It does not work that way. So all I want to tell you is, yes, diet is important, and yes, exercise is important. What's really important is that you prioritize them correctly. And the priority is get your body's physical, nutritional needs met first, and then improve it with exercise. And that's why I've banded together with Mind Valley to create a masterclass to really help you understand your relationship with food. You're gonna learn exactly what drives human behavior around food, what causes us to eat. And you're gonna find something really fascinating, and that is, very little of it has actually to do with nutrition. We have emotional hunger and a variety of other hungers that drive us to eat, even when we're not particularly hungry. In this masterclass, you're gonna learn about the 6 hungers and how to neutralize them. And so what'll happen as a result of that is you'll start to understand your cravings and you'll be able to reduce them dramatically so that your food decisions are being made on nutrition, not on emotion. So sign up for the masterclass. I'll see you there.